Hi guys. So, I wanted to show you something really cool I just got in the mail. I made the decision to join D23, which is the Disney fan club. And, you know, I have a number of friends who are involved. I never thought of joining, I didn't think much of it, but I finally said, you know what? If I'm doing this, I need to kind of share all of these experiences and do all that fun stuff. So, it's a miserable, rainy, cold day out, and when this was dropped off at the door, they rang the doorbell, which they often don't do. It was very exciting. And I received this. And I wanted to show you what was inside. So, let's look, shall we? So we start by opening the box. Ooh, and it welcomes me. Ooh. And it welcomes me to Gold Family Membership. Yay! Then it comes with a letter. The letter says, "Get ready to explore the fantastic worlds of Disney and celebrate all things Disney, Pixar, Star Wars, Marvel, and more with us and fellow D23 members every day. D23 is your official fan club. Your official Disney fan club. We're thrilled to have you as a D23 Gold family member. It was cheaper actually right now for me to join as a family member than to join as an individual. And that may change over time, and maybe I'll change my account then, but for right now, that's what I'm going with." So, it says, "We can't wait for you to enjoy all the wonderful benefits of this world's only official fan club created for the ultimate Disney fan. Woohoo! I am personally excited to share our 2020 Gold member gift with you, the D23 Fantastic Worlds Adventure Kit. This incredible box collection includes a set of D23 exclusive travel-inspired pins, a custom-designed patch in honor of Disneyland's 65th anniversary, a set of stunning postcards from fan-favorite locations, a set of travel bandanas for you to take on your next Disney journey, and my personal favorite, an incredible suitable-for-framing map incorporating more than 250 fantastic places, vehicles, and characters from Disney and Pixar for you to explore, with 23 hidden Mickeys thrown in for fun." And it will be. So your personalized, newly designed membership certificate and Gold Family membership card are also enclosed. Ooh, I haven't seen it yet. As part of your Gold Family membership, you'll also receive our gorgeous quarterly publication, Disney 23, which is so beautifully designed that you'll want to proudly display each of them on your coffee table. We shall see. So far this year, D23 has brought an unprecedented number of events into the homes of members with our extraordinary array of Gold member exclusive virtual events. From a premiere screening of the documentary Adventure Through the Walt Disney Archives and a phenomenal panel of Imagineers celebrating 65 years of Disneyland to early screenings of Disney Plus movies. D23 unlocks all the magic of Disney for you. And next year, in addition to even more incredible virtual events, we look forward to the return of our incredible in-person events, from fan-favorite tours of the Walt Disney Studios lot and magical screenings to Destination D. To get the most out of your membership, be sure to visit D23.com regularly for breaking Disney news, exclusive stories, and our calendar of events, special discounts and offers, and more. Our weekly e-newsletter, Fanfare, will make sure you never miss a beat and catch the latest on all things D23 and beyond by connecting with us on Disney D23 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Ooh. Are you ready to see? You could do it here in YouTube. If I find it and it's public, hey, I'll put a link here. Right there. Or I'll cut this out. Whichever works better. Are you ready to join us on our magical journey to explore the fantastic worlds of Disney, both real and imagined? We can't wait to share the adventure with you. Welcome to D23, celebrating you, the ultimate Disney fan. So, and that was signed by Michael Vargo, who's the head of D23. Oh, and we have a Sammy sighting. That's gonna not be comfortable on your paws, I think. Okay, so let's look inside, shall we? We are going to start with this beautiful, sitting on top, lovely map. Okay. So this is the suitable for framing colorful map. Let's see, and it's going to have 23 hidden Mickeys and a Sammy. Oh, good Lord, it's big. It's very big. So we have the beautiful map all spread out. And it says fantasy, if it's really convincing, can become dated. for the simple reason that it represents a flight into a dimension that lies beyond the reach of time. Okay. So we've got Radiator Springs, Pride Land, Agrabah, Zootopia, Stalasia. I can't read it. You guys can see it better than me right now. This is very cool, though. Mystery Snack, Sea of Discord, Isle of Jazz, Land of Symphony, Oh, Pleasure Island, Treasure Island, Volcania. Up, and there's the little Nemo ship. And Tink with Neverland. The Isle of the Lost. Oh, the Isle of the Lost, not the Lost anything in particular, just the Lost. Oh, the Isle of Naboombu. Naboombu. Okay, I'm not sure what that one's from. Someone's going to have to tell me in the comments what that one's from. I don't know if you can read that. And then we've got a very big city here. Bueno Nacho, Mudville Field, Monsters Incorporated. Official Mouse Clubhouse. Oh, I see Mickey ears on top of the Earful Tower there. You see the Earful Tower? This is fun. I haven't started really officially hunting for hidden Mickeys yet. Oh, there's the Blizzard Beach boat. That's the tree house. This is very cool. Up, Pacha's hut, Kuzu's hut, Avalor, Atlantica. That looks like the little Beauty and the Beast. Not Beauty and the Beast, Little Mermaid. San Francisco, because it's a thoroughly imagined world, I guess. But there's, yeah. Oh, and there's Epcot. Oh, we're going to go to the other side. You ready? You ready to get scared? You got the Nightmare Before Christmas guy. You got Bald Mountain, which is the entrance to hell, if I remember correctly. I think that's a little dark, too. I can't read it at this moment. Emerald City. Emerald City is bomb. Okay, I didn't know they did stuff with bomb. This is very cool. This is a lot of fun. I agree. This will give me hours of enjoyment. There's a little Frozen Land. This is great. Cool. Okay, so that's part one. They say that it takes a miracle to actually fold a map back up the way you found it, but that one's a small map. Of course, those of you these days probably don't know what those maps were like. They were pretty crazy. All right, so we're gonna look at the rest of this. Is my membership card. And then here we have what looks to me to be, these are the bandanas. That's what they call them. I'm gonna open one up because I think it's just a big old napkin. Adventure is out here. So it's a Mickey Mouse doing his adventure-y thing. And I guess they're bandanas, but I'll be honest, that's a napkin to me, and I might wash it and use it as a napkin, because why the heck not? It's 100% cotton. Ooh. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Woohoo! Then, down here, have buttons of special locations. Let me pull them up so the glare isn't quite as bad. So you have the Swiss Family Treehouse, Tony's Restaurant, Asgard for Marvel, Night in Bald Mountain for Classic Disney, that's Classic Disney, that's Classic Disney, Hoth for Star Wars, Pizza Planet for Pixar. So there you go. Those are those beautiful pins, and they are the real deal, heavy Disney pins. I was never a Disney collector. I am now going to have a whole bunch of Disney pins I was not expecting. And the Disneyland Happiest Place on Earth patch. I actually have a friend who might really like this. So, and last but not least, 23 Fantastic Worlds. Are these postcards? I think they're postcards. Let me put this down. Let's see. Yeah, they're postcards. Look at that. So I'm going to undo Whoops. Without breaking, I'm going to undo that so we can look at all the postcards. So we have Space Mountain, The Rhythm in Beautiful Bahia. I'm not sure what that one's from. The Three Caballeros. Okay. From Bahia with the Three Caballeros. Cloud City, which is Star Wars. Treasure Island, which is classic Disney. Planet X with I Am Groot. I guess that's where he's from. I didn't know that all the Groot people came from a specific place. Paris. Well, everybody wants to be a cat. Okay, that one's made for me right there. French, Paris, cats. I'm good. And Pandora, Jewel of the Alpha Centauri star system. So that's my unboxing. I think that's pretty exciting. I hope you've enjoyed it as well. If you want to see more stuff like this, or if you want to see me unbox the rest of them as they come in, you know, if I get additional things throughout the year, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much. And yeah, that was a nice funky box. I just hate to get rid of it because recycle and all, but I think that's everything we need. And if you haven't done so already, please remember to like this video, comment if you have any questions, if you'd like to see more content like this, anything interesting. Answer down below in the comments if you're a member of D23. I'd be real curious to find out. And I don't have a tagline. I have a Sammy, but I don't have a tagline. Singing hey ho, a maiden's life, 1, 2, 3. Hey ho, a maiden's life, won't you drink with me?